Welcome to Data Wizards, the ultimate destination for all things data analysis. Here, the portals of possibility swing open as you step into a universe where data isn't just analyzed, it's alchemized into pure insight. Dive deep into the world of Excel, where we unravel the power of spreadsheets and transform raw data into actionable insights. Ready to unlock the secrets of databases? Join us as we demystify SQL, equipping you with the skills to query, manipulate, and manage databases like a true data wizard. Elevate your data visualization game with Power BI. We'll guide you through creating stunning reports and interactive dashboards that turn numbers into stories. Enter the realm of Tableau, where data meets art. Learn to craft visualizations that not only inform but also inspire. Time to level up with Python. From data manipulation to advanced analytics, we'll equip you with the programming skills needed to conquer the data landscape. Subscribe now and embark on a journey to become a true data wizard. Tutorials, tips and tricks, riddles, and a treasured trove of knowledge await you.